Oh, right in the ass. It's like a magnet.
Has he been to the park a lot, or?
Yeah, we take him every so often, but he's just... Yeah. He just doesn't know how to play.
He doesn't know how to play. Like
he's only interested in this.
Yeah, your dog was like, if he twirls a little bit, he's gonna
yeah. It took her a long time. Like, we got she was arrested. So, at first she would just be scared and shivering a lot. Now she's just like...
You having fun there? You having fun? Look at this disgusting dog.